Dear students, in this session, we shall convert some of the given rational numbers into decimals. The first question, A subdivision, 3 by 4. So here we need to just divide 3 by 4. It's a normal division method that we are going to follow in all these problems. So 3 divided by 4. 3 will not go in 4, so it's going to be 0. Point. Here this will become 30. 7 fours are 28. Balance will be 2. Again we'll take a 0. 5 fours are 20. Now the remainder is 0. So the decimal form of 3 by 4 is 0.75. Coming to the next question, 5 by 8. These are very simple problems. I am doing the working column just for your better understanding. Five will not go in 8, so I will take 0. Point. Again this will become 50. 6 eighths of 48. Balance 2. Again if we take 0, it becomes 20. 2 eighths are 16. Balance will be 4. And this will become 40 if I take 0 here. And 5 eighths are 40. Now the remainder is 0. We will stop here. So for 5 by 8, the decimal form will be 0.625. Now coming to C subdivision, 9 by 25. Again 9 will not go in 25. So we'll take 0 point like what we did earlier. This will become 90 if I put 0 here. So 25 into 3 will be 75 now. Balance will be 15. Again if I take 0, it becomes 150. 25 into 6 will now become 150 and the remainder is 0. So 0.36 will be the decimal form of 9 by 25. Look at in all these three questions, the answer that we get are terminating in nature. They are all terminating decimal representations, right? Now we'll move on to the second main, A subdivision, 2 by 3. Again 2 will not go in 3, so it will be 0 point. This becomes 20. 6 3s are 18. Balance will be 2. Again becomes 20. So the same process is going to repeat. Are you following that? Are you observing that pattern? Here 20 is there. Again we have ended up in 20, which means the process is going to repeat. That implies we are going to have 6666 so on, 0.666 so on. So here 2 by 3 can be put in the decimal form as 0.66666 dot indicate that the number 6 is going to repeat again and again. So this is an example of non-terminating recurring decimal. Recurring means what? The same number 6 is going to repeat again and again. That's the meaning. We'll move on to the next question now. 47 by 99. So again 47 will not go in 99, so 0 point. If we take 0 here, it will become 470. Now 99 into 4. 9 4s are 36, balance 3. 36 plus 3, 39. So balance will be 74. Again, if we take 0, it becomes 740. 99 into 7. 9 sevens are 63. Balance 6. 63 plus 6 will be 69. So now the remainder is going to be 47. Again, if we take 0, the same number is getting repeated. Are you following? Here also we have ended up with 470, and the beginning also it was 470, which means the same process is going to be repeated. That implies number 47 is going to be repeated again and again. That means the decimal form of 47 by 99 will be 0.474747 and so on. Clear, students? Now we'll move on to the last question. Minus 16 by 45. So 16 divided by 45. Again 16 will not go in 45, so 0 point. This will become 160 if I take 0. 45 into 3. 5 3s are 15. 1 carry over. 4 3s are 12. 13. So balance will be 25. Now if I take 0, it becomes 250. 45 into 5 will be 225. Again the remainder is going to be 25. If I take 0, it becomes 250. So the same number 250 was there earlier also. Now it is again 250, which means the same process is going to be repeated again. That means number 5 is going to be repeated again and again. Right? Do you agree? Therefore, the decimal form of minus 16 by 45 will be minus 0.35555 dot dot dot. That implies 5 is going to get repeated again and again. This is the decimal form. The second question, all the three subdivisions, what is the observation that you can make? They are all non-terminating recurring decimal representations, right? So a rational number which is of the form p by q can be either terminating sometimes, or it can be non-terminating recurring decimal representations. Thank you, students.